Hi, I'm Johnny and I'm from Brothers Make, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the blade or accessory in your Triton multi-tool. So you'll notice there's 4 pins on the multi-tool and there's some holes on the blade itself. So this is just helpful when it comes to choosing the angle of your blade and securing it in place. So this particular multi-tool is keyless. So to remove the bit, you lift up this quick release and remove the blade. Then you just choose the accessory you want. I'm going to go for the scraper. Align it with the pins and choose your angle. Tighten out clockwise, and you're good to go. So the good thing about the Triton multi-tool is that it can take both open and closed bits because the spindle can come all the way out.
Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any suggestions about videos you'd like to see us make, leave a comment below.